Hi, hello everyone. So we are going to continue with our answer writing session for the geography Tspsc group 1. Now let us start. So first question. Discuss the major causes for deforestation and assess its impact and solutions. So first of all, in my answer, first I will write in this way. First, I will define what is deforestation. What is deforestation? Second, in the main body, I will define that what are the two causes. See, causes can be two types. One, the natural causes, the other is man-made causes or anthropogenic causes. Anthropogenic causes. So two things, natural causes as well as the anthropogenic causes. Okay, these are the two things. Then I will conclusion, and also I will write impacts of this here only. Then I will conclude the answer. So first, you see, deforestation is removal of the trees, the process of clearing or removal or other barren places of the trees in order to meet the human needs. Natural forest is cut down in the way for making farming, for mining, for constructions of dams and other human activities. So this is my introduction of the answer. Now look at here. See, what are the causes? Causes can be two types, I told you. Natural causes also deforestation takes place. Natural causes also deforestation. What are the natural causes? First, volcanic eruption. What happens because of the volcanic eruption? Whatever the lava which is flowing, they can create fire in the forest. Yes or no? Right? Or lightning strike. Lightning can also create fire in forest. These are some of the natural causes. Change in the climate, more heat. Okay, more heat also can create lighting in the forest. Forest will clear. Forest fire, that is called forest fire. Deforestation takes place. Is it clear? So that is your first thing. Then the anthropogenic causes are so many. Anthropogenic causes. What are the anthropogenic causes are? The first one is simple. What is that? Shifting cultivation. First one, shifting cultivation, number one. Then how this shifting cultivation, it is also called as zoom cultivation. You can see zoom cultivation is thought to be responsible for half of the tropical deforestation which is done. Mainly this is done, or this is practiced in the northeastern states. Why? Rising of food and fodder. Okay, this is main thing. So shifting agriculture is the primary cause for the deforestation in India and land degradation also. Decreasing of the soil fertility is a major cause is deforestation. Right? That is your first thing. Second, for infrastructural projects, constructions of road, railways, bridges or other transportation, energy like solar panels, wind energy, etc. They create 10% of the deforestation. Then biofuels. These biofuels for our renewable energy. To grow, deforestation is addition to the competing with the feeding growing global population As much of these products demand lot of space, forest area may be cleared, right? Then also the raw materials which are used, food and the raw materials such as cotton, minerals, etc., which are highly demanded for that. Like for example, I want to do a mining in particularly, or steel plant I have to set up. Where I will go? I need iron ore. So I will set up my factory or industry near to the iron ore field. So in order to do mining, or in order to set up factory or raw materials which are required for food or raw materials, I need to clear the forest first. So that is nothing but your raw material. Okay, mining areas, even mining. And rapid urbanization or reckless rapid urbanization is also one of the major cause for deforestation. Then forest fires. It might be both by the natural as well as the man-made or anthropogenic causes. These are the deforestation. Now, if you clear the forest, now what are the impacts you see? What are the impacts? First, if you clear the forest in a particular area, if you clear the forest in a particular area, what will happen? If you clear the forest, can I say the vegetation in that particular area decreases? Vegetation decreases, and if the vegetation decreases, can I say it will lead to rising of temperature, and also this is nothing but global warming phenomena. Warming phenomena takes place. This, cutting down the trees will increase the concentration of greenhouse gases. What will happen if you cut down the trees? What are the greenhouse gases which are stored, like methane, carbon dioxide, etc., will be releasing into the atmosphere, and further it will increase the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, further accelerate the global warming. Climate change will be more devastating. Okay, then it will be a loss, and also that the rainfall pattern, if you are clearing that area, vegetation, lack of vegetation, the rainfall pattern will change. There will be variability in the rainfall pattern in that particular area, right? Decrease in the rainfall in that particular area. Then loss of biodiversity, okay, soil erosion, hydrological cycles will get impacted, global warming will take place. So these are the impacts of it. What is the solution? Preventing illicit logging, security measures, strict infrastructural construction should be carefully planned, prohibiting unproductive farming practices like shifting or jung cultivation. To repair deforested land, new forestry, social forestry or campaigns, awareness program has to be brought. Okay, so these are your solutions with regard to the deforestation, right? So the next question, the metallic minerals found in India are mainly confined to the peninsular plateau. Why? The peninsular plateau is formed by the deposition of lava or magma. So whenever they are deposited, can I say that they have more minerals? Yes, of course. Second, your northern plains, which is deposition of your alluvial, are nothing but a river which is brought from the Himalayas or which is coming from the Himalayas, they are depositing. So newly formed area, and these are old formed area. So let us see this. The map of distribution of the, if you look at the map, where you see that the maximum amount of distribution is southern India. Okay, very less, you can see here and there, very less amount. Question is why? Answer is simple. The map of distribution of minerals in India depicts the most of the metallic minerals. Okay, most of the metallic minerals occurs mainly peninsular plateau, with sporadic occurrence in few other regions, very few. The metallic minerals mainly consist of manganese, bauxite, copper, iron ore. The region comprising of Chota Nagpur Plateau, Odisha Plateau, covering the states like Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, accounts 93%. So this is my introduction. So this is a way where the most of the minerals are found, that I will write it. Then other regions having peninsular characteristics like the southwestern belt, Karnataka, Goa, iron ore which is present, Tamil Nadu, lignite, coal, bauxite, and also central belt include Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, bauxite and manganese. The reasons for uneven distribution is attributed to geological structures of the country. So the plateaus represent the ancient shield of the earth crust. So what happened? This ancient shield is formed by the volcanic eruption, which contains magma, the solidification of magma. The lava brought out deposition of many minerals in this region. Thus, bulk of the valuable minerals are product of pre-Paleozoic age and metamorphic and igneous of the rocks, whereas northern plains is recently physiographic feature formed by alluvial deposition brought by the rivers. Thus, vast tract of North India is devoted to minerals of economic significance. So the location of minerals is a huge factor in determining the location of the industries. Like for example, you see industries using weight losing raw materials are located near to the source. For example, iron and steel industry. Both iron ore and coal are weight losing raw materials. So this is why most of the iron and steel industries are located near the coal fields like Bokaro, Durgapur, etc. or near the source of iron ore. Okay, Bhilai, Rourkela, Vidyasagar steel plant, Hospet, Karnataka, iron ore limestone, the Salem steel plant, of Tamil Nadu is one of the example. So location, one more, location of aluminium industry is governed by mainly bauxite. Okay, Hindal coal, then aluminium plant in Renukoot, then in India, main source of lead and zinc ore is Jawahar, deposit in Rajasthan, then Udaipur, Hindustan zinc is one such examples of this illustration of the things. Okay, so these are the things. Thank you, one and all.